Due to lack of care and false judgment, there are over 100 non-native invasive species living in the United States water alone. Invasive species establish populations in new areas that cause havoc on native species and the economy. California alone acquires around 6 invasive species annually.
Really? No, I don't.
Basically, is what they are, is a filter feeder. They filter all the minute food that's in the water, and then the plankton can't eat, and the shad actually eat the plankton, and the bigger fish, it just runs the whole. No, only hot water kills them, and obviously sunlight being out drying them out. But how are you going to do that in a lake? Sometimes, like if the lake gets low, and we could scrape it off the, like if we pull boats out, we can scrape it off the boats. Just basic maintenance.
Yeah.
But they're going to come right back.
Yeah.
I mean, any kind of metal or anything like that, they just attach right to it.
Yeah.
Maintenance.
Yeah.
But they're going to come right back.
Yeah.
I mean, any kind of metal or anything like that, they just attach right to it.
Yeah. I heard any like flat surface or anything.
Smooth surfaces, yeah.
As they spread, they take a significant chunk of biomatter from the food chain in the area. This can ultimately
Start over.
This can ultimately lead to a decline in native species and the chance to spread. Okay. To prevent the spread of many of these species, state hired officials are usually bestowed with the burden. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
These problems often go largely unnoticed because there's no large group directly affected or interested by this. This is exactly how quagga mussels were introduced and spread throughout the waterways in California. Quagga mussels are originally native to Ukraine and Russia. They were first discovered in the Great Lakes in 1988. Okay, ready? Vast studies and research projects have been created to stop certain invasive species, cutting into tax money that could otherwise be used for creation instead of preserving things that are already made. Almost all invasive species are spread using human assistance, either accidentally or deliberately. This is why the National Invasive Species Act was created, NICA. NICA was sponsored by the U.S. House of Representatives and by Steve Laurette on September 28, 1996. One of the main laws of the act required a boater to empty one's ballast water upon removing the vessel from a body of water. Ready?
Yep, whenever you are, just yell.
Through careless behavior, these mollusks were able to spread into the waterways across the United States, all the way to Miramar Lake. Mollusks, especially quagga mussels, have an expensive habit of attaching to any smooth surface with enough light and oxygen. These can be very bad and expensive for boats left in the water, docks, and basically anything left in the water. This is inexpensive because now everything in the water requires maintenance and cleaning.